Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. All right, so let's begin with the video. As you can see, the search bar is not showing up on our Google homepage right here. So what we can do is go to the top right where the menu icon is, open that up, and then we want to go to the bottom where it says Settings. From here, we want to go to the Search Settings at the top. And then we want to search for Search Engine, like so. We want to find this setting right here where it says Search Engine. Typically, when the search bar isn't showing up on your Google Chrome homepage, it's because you set the search engine to something other than Google. So if we just go ahead and click on where it says Change, and then change it back to where it says Google, click Set as Default. Now, if we open up a new homepage, we can see that the search bar and logo are back like normal. So that's basically how you can fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.